Today, we're addressing a common question from homeowners. Will muriatic acid kill grass? Let's find out. Muriatic acid, also known as hydrochloric acid, is a strong acid commonly used for cleaning and etching. But what happens when it comes into contact with our lawns? Grass, like all plants, is sensitive to pH levels. Muriatic acid, being highly acidic, can significantly lower the soil's pH. When muriatic acid is applied to grass, even in small amounts, it can cause severe damage. The acid burns the grass blades and can disrupt the soil's nutrient balance, making it inhospitable for plant growth. Even if diluted, the acid will cause the grass to wilt and discolor. This is a sign of chemical burn. Over time, the grass in the treated area dies, leaving behind a bare patch. This damage can be extensive and difficult to repair, so to answer the question, yes, muriatic acid will kill grass. It's important to handle chemicals responsibly and avoid using them in ways that can harm your lawn or the environment. If you're dealing with stubborn stains or need to etch concrete, remember to protect the surrounding greenery. There are safer alternatives for your lawn and garden. Stay informed and garden wisely.